Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Klarna on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, Klarna is a site where it makes easy for the customer to make payment in installment. First, you have to make an account on Klarna, and in admin panel, click Integration Guides button. And now install Klarna Shopify application from the Shopify App Store. Now in Shopify admin panel, click on the settings button and you will see Klarna live active status. Go to Klarna page, click on the generate and create credentials button. And now download the credential file and click on the continue integration button. Now click next. After clicking next in Shopify page, search for Klarna onsite messaging and then select endpoint. Now here you enter API merchant ID and click on the connect account button. Then you will see Klarna account is linked with Shopify. Now click on the dashboard and app block instructions. And here you will see the steps. Now go to the website, click on the add block button and drag Klarna placement under the price and save. After saving it, you have to scroll down to customizable field and click on the preview button. After that, copy the code and paste it under Klarna placement type in website. Now scroll down and click on verify and continue button. And now click on the refresh button. Now add manual code button and click on the save button. So here you will see the Klarna payment setup in the website, and that's how you will install and set up Klarna on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.